Becoming a crypto millionaire is a highly ambitious goal that requires a lot of planning and preparation, but it is not impossible. To help you become a crypto millionaire, we have selected 5 crypto projects that could make you huge gains in the next bull run. While you are here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated on all the latest crypto trends. Let's jump right in with our first project we would like to highlight, called Injective Protocol. Injective is a decentralized exchange that offers cross-chain margin trading, derivatives, and forex futures trading. Unlike other popular decentralized exchanges like Uniswap or Bancor, Injective does not use an automated market maker formula to manage liquidity. Instead, it follows the order book model widely used for years across centralized stock and crypto exchanges. This way, Injective aims to match the efficiency of traditional finance with the transparency of decentralized exchanges. Instead of paying network gas fees to execute each transaction, Injective traders only pay standard market maker and taker fees using Injective coins. Injective coins also serve as the platform's governance token and staking mechanism to power Injective's proof-of-stake-based blockchain. Injective Protocol comprises several components that support the functionality and development of its decentralized exchange. The Injective chain is a decentralized exchange built on Cosmos that allows for the transferring and trading of Ethereum tokens. This chain aims to address the scaling and throughput limitations experienced by many Layer 1 blockchains, while still allowing developers to use the Ethereum development kits they are familiar with. Injective Hub is the dashboard that provides users with an overview and functionality to make the most of the Injective protocol. Users can access the Injective Hub to stake their Injective and become network validators tasked with upholding the security of the proof-of-stake blockchain. Injective holders can also choose to delegate their tokens to network validators and earn a percentage of their rewards in return. The team's commitment to innovation and their willingness to continuously improve their platform, combined with their strong partnerships, put them in a great position to succeed in the long term. Injective currently has a market cap of $3 billion. A market cap of $80 billion is doable in a bull run for this unique project. That is a 27x from here. Our second project we would like to highlight is Metis DAO. Metis is a general-purpose optimistic rollup built on Ethereum. This means the Metis protocol can support smart contract development, decentralized applications, and more scalable transaction processing. Rollups are attractive because they leverage lower gas fees and faster transaction processing. However, semantic web users want more than faster transactions. Therefore, many Layer 2 scaling solutions double as smart contract platforms or virtual machines. The Metis crypto protocol aims to solve the scalability trilemma and simultaneously achieve security, scalability, and decentralization. To ensure the lowest cost, the Metis Smart L2 only posts the minimal amount of data necessary on Layer 1, holding the transaction data off-chain. Compared to Layer 1 Ethereum, storage on Memo Labs is substantially less expensive to include. Any defective actors in Metis' system are charged and replaced through continuous rotational cycles. The peer network, which consists of block producers, sequencers, and verifiers, completes this task. This method incentivizes actors to act beneficially and keep 100% uptime. Possibly the greatest benefit of using the Metis protocol is its Ethereum-compatible virtual machine. The Metis virtual machine is EVM-compatible. It looks, feels, and behaves like Ethereum. Conversely, it is cheaper, faster, and easier to use than Ethereum. Metis is a member of Genesee DAC, a venture capitalist decentralized autonomous corporation spearheaded by Natalia Ameline, Vitalik Buterin's mother. Q1 is full of catalysts for Metis. There will be huge ecosystem development fund of 4.6 million Metis that will be dedicated to accelerating development and adoption on the Metis ecosystem. Decentralized sequencer incentives will also be granted, which will kick off Metis LSD Fi. And thirdly, the ZK Hybrid Rollup Tech release, which will allow for privacy scaling, cheaper transactions, and enhanced security in a fast manner. Metis currently has a market cap of 500 million. A market cap of 20 billion is not crazy to think of in a bull run. That is a nice 40x from here. As our third project, we would like to highlight Alephium. In the ever-evolving world of crypto, Alephium stands out as a promising newcomer with a unique approach to scalability and efficiency. Alph utilizes a hybrid architecture that combines proof-of-work for security with directed acyclic graphs for scalability. This innovative combination aims to address the limitations of existing blockchains, enabling the creation of a more robust and versatile ecosystem for decentralized applications. Alph's hybrid architecture allows it to handle significantly more transactions per second than traditional blockchains, making it well-suited for high-volume applications. Its DAG-based architecture eliminates the need for miners to wait for confirmations before adding new blocks, significantly reducing transaction times and improving overall network efficiency. Alph's POW consensus mechanism ensures the network's security and integrity, making it resistant to attacks and manipulation. Its decentralized nature ensures that no single entity has control over the network, promoting transparency and fairness. Alph can support new DeFi protocols and applications, facilitating secure and efficient financial transactions. It can also provide a secure, scalable platform for creating and trading NFTs. In the world of gaming, Alph can also be used to aid the development of innovative, immersive blockchain-based games. Alph is also able to streamline supply chain operations by offering a secure, transparent record-keeping system. In conclusion, Alph is a groundbreaking Layer 1 platform that could revolutionize our interaction with decentralized applications. Its hybrid architecture, scalability, and efficiency make it an attractive choice for developers crafting the next generation of decentralized applications. Alph currently has a market cap of only 150 million. We believe the project has got many legs to grow and will hit a market cap of at least 30 billion in a bull run. That is a crazy 200x from here. Our fourth project we would like to highlight is Pendle Finance. Pendle is a project that offers a fresh perspective on yield optimization in the DeFi space. The protocol is designed to enable users to trade tokenized future yield of DeFi assets, which creates a new market for yield exposure that was previously unattainable. This new market will provide users with access to yield that they would have otherwise not had access to, as well as create new investment opportunities for yield-seeking investors. The use of yield tokens is at the core of Pendle's functionality. Yield tokens represent a future stream of yield from a specific DeFi asset, such as a liquidity pool token or a lending token. These tokens can be traded on secondary markets, allowing users to buy and sell future yield exposure to these assets. One of the key advantages of the Pendle protocol is its ability to create customizable yield structures tailored to the specific needs of users. This feature allows users to enjoy dynamic or step functions, which is a key advantage of the protocol. Additionally, Pendle features a unique staking mechanism, where users can stake their Pendle tokens to earn rewards for providing liquidity to yield token markets. By incentivizing users to provide liquidity, the protocol ensures an increase in liquidity, which helps to maintain stable prices for yield tokens. In conclusion, Pendle is an ambitious project that offers a fresh perspective on yield optimization in the DeFi space. The innovative use of yield tokens and customizable yield structures, as well as its staking mechanism, make it an attractive project for DeFi users. With these features, Pendle is well positioned to become a leading protocol for yield optimization in the DeFi space. Pendle currently has a market cap of 400 million. We believe that a market cap of 15 billion is possible in a bull run for this unique project. That is a 37x from here. As our final project of this video, we present you Kaspa. Kaspa is an instant confirmation transaction layer built on a proof-of-work engine that is both fast and scalable. Transactions sent to miners can be added to the ledger immediately and are structured in a revolutionary block DAG. Based on the Ghost DAG protocol, Kaspa is a scalable generalization of the Nakamoto consensus. Its design follows the principles of Bitcoin, with proof-of-work mining, a deflationary monetary policy, no pre-mine, and no central governance. Kaspa is unique in its ability to support high block rates while maintaining the level of security offered by the most secure proof-of-work environments. Kaspa's consensus layer uses Ghost DAG, a proof-of-work consensus protocol that generalizes Nakamoto's chain into a directed acyclic graph of blocks to solve this trade-off. Kaspa's consensus layer also supports fast confirmations, enabling use cases that require immediate proof of publication, such as e-commerce. This is in contrast to traditional cryptocurrencies, which have slow block rates that result in slow confirmations. Slow block rates also result in high variance of mining income, incentivizing miners to join larger mining pools. Kaspa's fast block rate decreases the variance of mining income, which decreases the incentive to join mining pools, contributing to mining decentralization. In summary, Kaspa is a promising blockchain project that offers a revolutionary solution to the scalability problem of decentralized cryptocurrencies. Its innovative technology, based on the GhostDAG protocol, allows for high block rates and fast confirmations without compromising security or decentralization. This makes Kaspa an ideal platform for a wide range of use cases, including e-commerce and DeFi. Kaspa currently has a market cap of $2.5 billion. With the big-brained people behind Kaspa, a market cap of at least $100 billion is not crazy to think of in the next bull run. That is a nice 40x from here. Thanks for watching, and make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and put notifications on to stay updated on all the latest crypto trends.